Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new infraWizard project and how to work with infraWizard project files. An infraWizard project is actually no more than a conventional AutoCAD drawing, but it contains the elements of pipe networks and their data. The elements of a pipe network themselves are native AutoCAD entities. For example, a pipe in infraWizard is a polyline object. If I pick this pipe, you'll see it's a polyline. A node in infraWizard, which represents a manhole or a junction, is a block reference object. This annotation is also a block reference with attribute. The longitudinal profiles are block references as well. So there's no custom objects in an infraWizard project. They're all native AutoCAD objects, but they contain extra data like sizes, levels, types, etc. When you install infraWizard, you'll find that there's a folder called infraWizard Projects, created under your Documents folder. This is the default location where infraWizard saves the new projects you create. Now let's see how to start a new project. I'll close this drawing first. To start a new project, you need to use one of the two shortcuts you have on desktop. One of them is for imperial units, and the other is for metric units. The shortcut opens the template of an infraWizard project, and every infraWizard project has to start from a template. The template contains the basic data like styles, settings, and defaults that infraWizard needs to set up your project. I'm starting a new project now by double-clicking the shortcut. This will open the template file with the most recent version of AutoCAD or Civil 3D I had used, and will automatically load the ribbon tab of infraWizard. Now we have this empty project. Notice that the template opened a new drawing that is now saved in infraWizard Projects folder with the default name New infraWizard Project 1. We're now ready to move on and create networks. For example, I'll create a couple of pipes using line objects with the Create Pipes command. Now I have a couple of new pipes. This is just a sample to see how to create a new project. I'll be explaining creating pipes in detail in another video. If I save this project right now, it will be saved to the same AutoCAD drawing, and of course, I can save it with a different name to a different location. The good thing is that after you create your infraWizard project and save it, you don't have to then use the shortcut. You can just open the drawing file. This is the one we've just created. I'll open it with a double click like any other drawing. And because it is an infraWizard project, infraWizard will be automatically loaded, and I can continue working on it. For example, double-clicking a node to edit it. See? infraWizard is loaded and is aware of my actions. I think it's clear now that you need to use the template from the shortcut to begin your project only. And of course, if you create a project and spend time developing your styles and pipe library, you can duplicate it and remove the networks it contains, then use it as a base for creating new projects. Now you know about creating a new project. Let me tell you a couple of important rules that will make life easier. First, if you're working on a large project for several days or maybe weeks, it's always wise to take backup of your project file at least once daily and work on a new copy of it in the next day. So if something goes wrong with your project, you can go one step backward using your backup copy and continue working from there. The second rule is that you should never open an infraWizard project on a computer that doesn't have infraWizard installed, because infraWizard tracks everything you do in the project. For example, if I erase this node, it erases the pipe connected to it. So infraWizard keeps track of all actions I do here to maintain the integrity of the project file. But if I open this project on a computer that doesn't have infraWizard, and it happens that I erase something, the project file will be corrupted, and when I go back into infraWizard, it will not be able to reestablish the data structure, and in most cases, this is unrecoverable. So, in case you're working on a shared server and, for example, you want a colleague to extract some information from your infraWizard project and he doesn't have infraWizard installed on his computer, let him take a local copy of the project file and use it. This will keep your original project file safe. That's everything for this session. In the next video, I'll walk you through infraWizard ribbon commands. We'll see you then.